Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, as long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about partial fraction involving natural logarithm. So this is a matter of extending our denominators, factor first, and then you do something integration by using a, b, and c, and so on and so forth. Okay? So I have here integral of dx over circle brackets 9 minus x times square root of x. So I will assume that this will be t is equals to square root of x. Okay, so I will transform to make it easy to understand to the students. So this will be t is equals to x raised to 1 over 2. Then I will transpose the exponent to the left. So this will be t squared. Then this will be x. Okay? So if from t squared, then transpose to the right again, this will be t is equals to square root of x, or x raised to 1 half. So differentiating both sides, so this will be 2t dt is equals to, of course, dx. Okay, so plug in. So this will be integral of dx is 2t dt. 2t times dt. Okay, then this will be over 9 minus x. So this will be circle brackets 9 minus t squared. Then square root of x, that will be t. Okay? So t will be crossed out. We have t in the numerator and then t denominator. So this will be t will be crossed out. So I have now integral of 2 dt over 9 minus t squared. Okay? Since 2 is constant, so I need to isolate from the integrand. So meaning I will place outside before the integration symbol. So 2 integral of dt over 9 minus t squared. So this is the time to use partial fractions. Okay? So this will be 1 over 9 minus t squared. So to factor this one, we know that we have a over 3 plus t, right? Then plus b over 3 minus t. Okay, so if we multiply this one, this will come up with 9 minus t squared. Okay, so I will multiply both sides by 9 minus t squared. So 9 minus t squared will be crossed out. So this one also multiply both sides. So this will be, I'll just write the factored form instead of 9 minus t. So 3 minus t. So don't worry, if we multiply this one, this is the same as 9 minus t squared. So t, 3 plus t will be crossed out. So I have now 1 is equal to a times. This one will be crossed out, so this will be left. So this will be 3 minus t. Then plus b. 3 minus t will be crossed out, so this will be left. So b times 3 plus t. Okay? Then, don't worry about to solve the value of a and b because we have factors. So take note, factors of 9t squared are 3 plus t, then 3 minus t. So in this case, we have 3 plus t, then 3 minus t is equal to 0. So meaning 3 plus t is equal to 0. So the other one is 3 minus t is equals to 0. Solving for t will be equal to negative 3. How about the other? So this will be negative t transpose. This will be negative 3. So divide negative 1 both sides. T will be equal to positive 3. So this is now our value. So at t is equals to negative 3. So this will be 1. So this will be is equals to a 3 minus, so this will be plus, right? Because negative, okay? That will be positive. Because negative, that will be positive. Then plus b, 3 minus 3, okay? So this will be 1 is equals to a 6, then b 0, okay? So 1 is equals to 6a, then 0. So 1 is equals to 6a, then divide both sides by 6. 6 will be crossed out, so I have now 1 over 6 is equals to a. Okay? So meaning, I have now a is equals to 1 over 6. Take note, we have constant coefficient of 2 in here. Okay? So a is 1 over 6. Now how about at t equals positive 3? So this will be 1 is equals to a, circle brackets, 3 minus 3. Okay? Because this is negative, right? Since this is positive, so 3 minus 3, then this will be plus b. Then 3 plus 3. So this will be 1 equals a times 0 plus b times 6. So this will be 1 is equals to 0 plus 6b. So this will be 1 is equals to 6b. Then divide by 6 both sides. At the right side, 6 will be crossed out. So I have now 1 over 6 is equals to b. Both a and b are the same. They are the same. The value, 1, 6. Okay, so b will be 1 over 6. I don't have space anymore. So allow me to erase this portion. Then I will integrate. So this will be integral of, there is 2 in here. Then this will be dt. Allow me to erase. Sorry for your inconvenience. So I have now 2 integral of, the value of a is 1 over 6 dt. Then this will be 3 plus t. Then this will be plus, just multiply, that will be 2, because this is the coefficient of a and b. So meaning this will be 2 integral of 1/6 dt over 3 plus t. Then plus, because this is plus. So 2 integral of b dt is 1 over 6 also. Then this will be dt. Then this will be over 3 minus t. Okay? So constant should be isolated from the integrand. So meaning I will place 1/6 outside of the integration symbol. So this will be 2 times 1 over 6. Then integral of dt over 3 plus t. Okay? This is 3 plus t. Yeah. Okay. This is plus. Then plus 2 times 1 over 6, because this is constant, so need to place outside. Then this will be integral of dt over 3 minus t. Okay? So multiply. So this will be 2 over 6. Then integral of t, dt I mean, then 3 plus t. Then plus 2 over 6 integral of dt over 3 minus t. So this will be 1 over 3. Divide by 2, both numerator and denominator. So this will be 1/3 integral of dt over 3 plus t. Then this will be also 1/3. Divide numerator, denominator by 2. So this will be 1/3. Then this will be integral of dt over 3 minus t. Okay? Then allow me to erase this portion. So, what will be the next? Let u for the first integration, this will be 3 plus t. So, differentiating both sides, du is equals to 0 plus dt. So, meaning du is equals to positive dt. So, this will be du dt. How about it? The other side. So, let u also 3 minus t. So, differentiating both sides, du is equals to 0 minus derivative of negative t, that will be negative dt. So, du is equals to negative dt. Okay? So, this will be equal to 1/3 integral of dt is du. Then this will be over 3 minus t, that will be u. Then plus 1/3 integral of dt is negative dt. This is dt. I mean du, sorry. This will be negative du. So divide, negative, right? So this will be divided by negative 1. So this will be negative du is equals to positive dt. So this will be negative du. Then 3 minus t, that will be u. So this will be equal to 1/3. And we know that the integral, or the value of integral of du over u, that will be ln, absolute u. Then this will be positive times negative, that is negative. So this will be negative. Okay? So this will be 1/3. No, wait. 1/3, and then this will be integral of du over u. Okay? So this will be 1/3 ln times ln absolute u, then minus 1/3 of ln absolute u, then this will be plus c. Okay? So, this could be written as ln absolute cube root of u. Then this will be minus ln cube root of u. Then this will be plus c. Okay? So allow me to erase which part in here. Okay, so I'll just write first. So this will be ln. I will rewrite first cube root of u. Then minus ln absolute cube root of u. Then this will be plus c. So take note, in trigonometry, especially natural logarithm, if we have ln absolute a minus ln absolute b, so this will be ln absolute a over b. Okay? So in this case, the same, right? So this will be ln absolute cube root of u. Then this will be cube root of u. Then this will be plus c. Okay? Do not cross out because the value of u is different from denominator and numerator. So we cannot cross out. So this will be ln absolute. This will be, plug in the value of u. U in here is 3 plus t. Then this will be over cube root of 3 minus t. So that's why we cannot cross out. Then this will be absolute. Then this will be plus c. Since they have the same radical, so this will be, take 1. So this will be, we will put 1 radical form. So this will be cube root. Cube root of 3 plus t. then this will be over 3 minus t, then absolute, then this will be plus c. Okay, so I think this will be my final answer of integral of dx over circle brackets 9 minus x times square root of x is equal to ln absolute cube root of 3 plus t over 3 minus t plus c. I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding to this topic, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Mats TV. Thanks for watching.